Hi, and welcome to Red Fox Education. This quiz is all about so or such, and which is the correct one to use in the sentence. You will see 10 sentences, and then you can choose if it is missing so or such. After you have decided, I will then show you the answer. Good luck and have fun. Number 1. It is hot today. Yes, the answer is so. Number 2. It's a hot day today. Yes, the answer is such. Number 3. My dogs have lovely eyes. Yes, the answer is such. Number 4. We have had much rain lately. Yes, the answer is so. Number 5. He's an amazing teacher. Yes, the answer is such. Number 6. I'm tired. I will sleep early tonight. Yes, the answer is so. Number 7. I'm in a happy mood today. Yes, the answer is such. Number 8. She runs fast, I can't catch her. Yes, the answer is so. Number 9. There are many to choose from. Yes, the answer is so. Number 10. That is a shame, but you can't come. Yes, the answer is such. Well done!